Here's the situation. Got this ash tree broke, snapped off about 6 foot up, I'd say. And then it hung up in this maple. And then down below is Andrew's house. So it's a little bit treacherous. Matt here is gonna go up in the climber. Rope her off. Then we're gonna try to get some pulleys going here and pull it down or back up the hill.
Hard down.
You're good.
This is where it'd be nice to have one of those logging winches like that guy had.
Well, Matt got 2 ropes up there about 20 feet, 25 feet maybe. We estimated we got about 75 feet down to the house there. And this tree, we don't really have any idea how tall it is. So we got one line going over to that tree, just kind of tying it off. If it falls that way, it should swing and stay away from the house. And actually stay in front of that maple right there. We're hoping. We've got another line that comes up to this pulley. We're gonna pull down the hill with the tractor. And then we've got one line that basically ties to the bottom of that maple and just the base of that, right above where it broke on that ash. So see what happens here. There we go. Come on. Here we go. Wow. Watch out, Andrew. And Bob. Holy crap. That thing landed right over here on the path. I mean, Andrew was down a ways, but Bob was standing here pretty close. Saw it coming though and got out of the way. And I mean, it was only the very, very, very top of it, but still. Anyway, though, that couldn't have fell in a really better direction. It worked out pretty darn good. I was afraid the tractor wasn't going to have the traction to pull it, but being that we were going downhill with the tractor and had the pulley hooked up and we had the rope hooked up 25 feet or so, it did tip it over, and it actually hinged right back on that 10-foot stump or whatever, so or 6-foot stump, so it worked out really, really good. Now Andrew can chunk it up and make it into firewood. No more worrying about it falling on the house. So